Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Biology. So students, in before classes what we will discuss about microorganism. Yes students, we will continue our topic. So some microorganism is there, just you see in the figure: Chlamydomonas, Spirogera, diatoms and Spirulina, Oidogonium, Keratium, Cyclops, Daphnia, Scapismite, eyelash mite. These are the microarthropods and these are the algae. Okay students, these are the small microorganisms. So these microorganisms we can see under the microscope only, okay, because they are small. They are because they are small, so we cannot see with our eyes. We can see with the microscope only. We know different types of microorganisms and their groups. For example, like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and certain microarthropods. We will see in before only. We will see some microorganisms and we will see some pictures of that things. So in this activity what we have to do, we have to collect some pond water, okay student, or as well as tank water from our surrounding. After that take some of the greenish scraping from the side of the tank, some algae from the side of the tank. Afterwards what we have to do, we have to take 1-2 drop of water from a sample have you collected on a slide, and we have to observe under the microscope, okay student, and we have to draw the sketches and compare it. Now students, we have to observe fungi. Usually after the rainy season, you might have seen some small umbrella-like growth over rotten materials of dumped waste between the grasses in fields and edge of wet rotten wooden planks. Often you might have observed white patches on the bark of the tree. These patches are formed due to fungi. So students, in this we have to observe fungi. For example, after the rainy season, we have seen some umbrella like growth on the dumped waste and between the grasses field and rotten wooden planks. Often you might have observed white patches on the, and we also observe some white patches on the bark of the trees. These patches are due to fungi. So in this activity what we have to do, we have to take some rotten part of vegetables or black spoiled part of the bread. Just you see in the bread some black spot are coming are due to this fungi only. After just you kept a bread for some days, afterwards you see that some black color spots are present on that bread. It's due to just you take that spot that just you take this spots from the bread and placed on the slide and put a drop of water and place a cover slip on it, and we have to observe under the microscope. Then we have to what we will observe, that when we will observe a common bread mold. Rhizophus is an fungi which spoil the bread. So we have to now observe bacteria. Their bacteria in buttermilk or curd or early morning scraping of tongue before washing the mouth. We can also find them in the soil. So bacteria is in buttermilk or curd. Bacteria will be present in buttermilk as well as curd, or in early morning scraping of tongue before washing the mouth. We can also find them in the soil as well as bark of the trees, as well as in our skin, as well as our armpits, and as well as in other places in atmosphere, in air, everywhere bacteria is present, but they are not visible to our eyes because they are so small. They are seen under the microscope only. Now let us look them for more closely by doing some activities. While doing some activities we know about the bacteria. So students, In microscope we are using slides. In many activities I told take slide, take slide. So what is in slide? Just you see here, a glass is there, we called as slides. Just you see here, it is a dropper. With the help of this dropper only we can put some water in the slide. Okay, just you see here, it is an cover slip. I told in activities, just you cover with a cover slip means here is a small transparent like paper like is there, transparent cover like is there na, that's why we are called as covered slip. I told in many experiment using blunt needle. Blunt needle is nothing but it is a type of needle that is useful to remove more water, excess amount of water, amount of stain from the excess amount of stain from the slide. Okay, did you got about this? Just slide is nothing but it is a glass like structure, and cover slip and needle, these are mainly used in water in microscope. So right, just to see here what type of microorganism we can observe in a pond water. This is your question, and this is your question for your homework. Just you write this question along with answer and submit in the